the ones that I see here in Italy, I don't know if in Canada or in the States the sounds are different, but here Toyota, for instance, is very abstract, high pitched, is a bichord like this, for instance. Renault is more reassuring, more is warm, is welcoming, is a little bit more, is less cold than other sounds.
Sure. Yeah. Well, I guess maybe if it doesn't focus specifically on the sound of the engine, but even the engine sounds have been changing over the years, right?
Yes,
like they're getting, like you said, they're getting softer,
yes,
or they're
yes.
getting electric.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.